Hey guys, this is Iggy back again with Dragon Blogger. So I just wanted to show you how the cherry brown MX switch sounds like on the PX5200 from our friends at Perixx. If you're expecting a loud clickety-clackety keyboard, you're not going to find it here. The brown switch is a very soft, cushy key. Now, for those of you that have been playing with the loud, for example, the blue switches, you're probably already used to how clicky they are. I do like the clickies, but when I got the opportunity to review this keyboard, I thought, oh man, it does, it's not going to have the clicky sound. And I figured, well, let me just go ahead and at least test it. So I got used to this again. This feels very nice. Kind of feels like you're typing on a cloud. It feels very nice and smooth. So let me just go ahead and be quiet so you guys can hear how it sounds like. Alright, that's pretty much it. If you couldn't hear, it was very quiet compared to the louder switches, but I just wanted you to hear what that sounded like. Your significant other may appreciate this a lot more than your current keyboard. Alright guys, again, this is Iggy with Dragon Blogger, showing you just how the cherry brown MX switch sounds like on the Perixx PX5200-BR mechanical gaming backlit keyboard. Alright guys, see you later. Bye.